Now that you've successfully seen SentinelOne's EPP product remediate Tesla Crypt 2.0, I'd like to go back and actually show you how SentinelOne can help you mitigate it before it happens, which is the core of our technology. So going back to the dashboard, you'll notice that the once active threat is now mitigated. This is due to the fact the rollback kind of cleaned up after all the things that the Tesla Crypt did, essentially reversing the files. So it became a mitigated threat. Now if you go to settings, you're going to notice there's an action bar here. This action bar is how you set your mitigation remediation policy. You'll notice that it's currently set to alert. That's how the Tesla Crypt was able to successfully run and encrypt all of the files and just had an alert propped up. What we're going to do now is we're actually going to switch it to kill. Kill will actually tell the agent to stop the process and all sub-processes the moment the threat is detected. So I'm going to update the policy. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. I'm going to switch over to the VM, and I'm going to then take the same file that we've been running, the same Tesla Crypt file, drop it on my desktop, and I'm going to go the same process. I'm going to make it executable, and then I'm going to change the file slightly to update the hash. This time around, I'll do a different hash so we can see the difference. I'll do bypass 123. Now that the file has been updated, let's go back to the pictures so you can see it live one more time. I'm going to run the file as we speak. Now you'll notice the file did self-delete, it disappeared, except this time now there's a bottom right, you'll see threat detected. In this case, it also means mitigated. We'll give it a few more seconds, but I assure you that the pictures are going to be safe, that the Tesla Crypt has been proactively stopped the moment it was detected. Going back to the dashboard, you're going to see once again a threat a few seconds ago. If you analyze it, you're going to first notice that once again we have a brand new hash. This is the core problem behind signature-based attacks, is you should kind of create an infinite number of signatures that can all bypass antivirus. If I go to the storyline, you're going to notice that the storyline is much smaller than the previous one. This time only 2 steps, explore.exe and then the Tesla Crypt itself. So if you click on the Tesla Crypt, you're going to notice the same events that occurred as it did last time, except we now have a different file. So you have vcw rgj.exe. That's the copy that was created. The context of the executable of Tesla Crypt gave us enough information to identify it as a ransomware attack, and we were able to stop it in real time. Once again, going back to the pictures, you'll notice that they're still there. Nothing has been encrypted. There have been no recovery text files, no pop-ups, nothing. We actually mitigated it in real time. You can also see this at the very top by the threat was killed successfully. This is an example of how SentinelOne can actually stop malware from running and executing based on the behaviors we've actually flagged it on. So now I'm going to do one more action here. I'm going to go to more, and I'm going to remediate, because you do have some of those legacy issues like the copy that was created. By clicking on remediate, you can essentially remove all of the files that were created as part of the run process before we stopped it. Now going back to the dashboard, you're going to see a couple of things here. You'll now notice that there's 2 mitigated threats here. The first of which was the Tesla Crypt that was able to run and then roll back, where we took all the files that were manipulated and restored them back to their original state. The second mitigated is going to be the Tesla Crypt that was stopped in real time from a behavior-based approach, where the SentinelOne agent was able to identify the patterns of behavior fast enough to stop it before the encryption process happened. We then remediated to showcase the cleanup process, so anything that was created before the actual mitigation, we were able to clean up right away. With that, I thank you for taking the time to watch SentinelOne in action. Please let us know if you have any questions about mitigation or remediation. You can contact us via our website or at support@sentinelone.com.